Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm gonna finally give you a update on the Dodge Charger, the Daytona version that I was working on. Well, finally got it back, but not in good condition at all. So time to show you what's going on. Guys, trust me, this story is crazy and not good at all. This is the car right now. Looks good from back, right? Well, time to take a walk. The car is back, but with more damages, and engine and tranny is missing. Engine, tranny, wires, computers, all of that is missing. Inside, look at this. This really need to be cleaned badly. And there is some of the parts still inside for the car. Some of the frame pieces that we bought. So guys, the story start off by the last video that you saw me do on this car. I got the engine running, I changed doors and all that. Got the car running perfectly, but the framework need to be done. So the frame jack that I had couldn't do all this frame damage. So the owner for the car sent it to a shop, to a frame shop, to get all of that work done. And then after all that frame work is done, the car was gonna come back to me for me to finish up everything otherwise on the car. Well, the car has been sent off to the shop. Weeks later, call, no answer. And then time passed, still not getting no answer for the shop. Basically, the shop took the engine and tranny out. The owner called me up and saying that they found the car at a location. He doesn't need it anymore because engine is gone, tranny is gone. Basically lose everything right there. So he's saying that if I want the body, I can get it. So right now, body's right there. It's very unfortunate. Sometimes you think you trust people and, you know, let people do stuff, but this is how things work out sometimes. It's really hard to trust people. So anyways, when he called me and asked me if I want the car, went and pick it up, drop it off at my place, have it here. Don't know what to do with it yet. You can drop a comment and let me think what you guys think I should do with it. Rebuild it, buy a different engine and tranny, put inside maybe a Hellcat swap or something. You know, just let me know what you think I should do with it. That's all for now. That's the update on that car. I still have a lot of parts for it. I have most of the frame parts that we bought to do the job. The new subframe, most of the doors, the new doors that I put on, basically got damaged also when it was basically on the side of the road or whatever. Let me show you. These are the doors that I installed the last time. See, all dinged up, scratch up, all of that. Glass, so this one is missing. Yeah, so that one is missing. But inside is really dirty. Water went in. I just put this over it to cover it right now. The fender messed up, but I think we can bring it back to life. So guys, just tell me what you think, what you think I should do with it. Let me know, drop a comment. And guys, Like I said, let me